My name is Michelle Kelly and I'm the editor of Cottage Life Magazine. Well, probably if it's your first time renting, you should head to a rental agency site. Using an agency is a really easy way to find a cottage that is in the area that you want, available at the time that you want, in the price range that you want. They'll do a lot of that work for you. As for photos and references, if you're going to visit the cottage in the summer, make sure that the photos were taken in the summer so you know exactly what you're getting. Find out what services are available before you get to the rental cottage. Does it have sheets and towels for you to use? Is there a barbecue there? Is there propane in the barbecue? If it runs out, where do you get propane? Where do you get groceries? Where do you get a case of beer? So for boats, if you're going to rent a cottage that has a boat included, make sure you fill out a boat rental checklist and that you have your boat operator card. If you have a boat and you want to bring it, ask where you're going to launch it and ask where you're going to dock it. Ask about a cleaning service. Some cottagers offer it as part of their rental fee and some will offer it as an extra fee. It's important that you leave the cottage exactly as you found it to avoid any problems down the road.